afternoon, guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I'm sitting in the car park at my local Centra because it's the local hub to drop off packages. I ordered an item from my mum from Pull & Bear and it's wrong, so I had to return it. And I'm also returning the Nasty Gal package that I recently purchased because it doesn't suit me and it's a bit too large. My hair is also a bit of a mess today, even though I washed it. I think it's like a bit of a build-up of product, you know, when you have too much conditioner. I also just recorded on this camera a little spiel that I went into, like a little conversation with you guys in regards to stuff that's been going on in my life, and I absolutely and utterly hated every single thing that I was saying, so I deleted it. But I will say one thing, I do feel so much better after having that conversation. Even though it was just to myself in my local Centra car park, I am just not going to be holding back for any more Vlogmas. I'm not going to be worried about the length of my Vlogmas. I'm not going to be worried about the quality, how boring the videos are. I'm just not going to worry about any of that. I'm not going to worry about what I talk about. I'm not going to worry about what I show. I don't care what people are going to say about me. Go wild. Do whatever you want. Write about whatever you want about me. I also look really tired because I had 2 hours of sleep last night. Noah is teething like crazy and I think he's suffering from earaches because he keeps grabbing his ear and head. I don't know, maybe it's all just kind of connected. So I spent the night in my bedroom because Paddy's obviously working and he's working really hard. He's a lot of work on at the moment. Noah and I slept in my bedroom last night and I had 2 hours of sleep, so I look like something that fell out of the bin, but I don't care. Back, I remember in October when I took some time off, it was actually due to a lot of different things, but Paddy and I had really bad news, like something really bad had happened in our life and it was just not a good time. And I just realized at that moment my family was the most important thing and I was taking a step back. And also I was just sick of reading and hearing things about myself. It's been really cruel and sending me screenshots of things that people were saying about me, and I was just like, I don't want any more of this, to deal with any more of this. So at the time that I took that time off, I said when I was going to come back, I was going to go back to the way that I always was before, but I just feel like the whole of Vlogmas, I'm just holding back. I'm afraid of showing things in case people are going to give out. I'm afraid of talking about things. I'm afraid of speaking my mind. I'm afraid of everything because I'm just afraid people are going to tear me apart. I'm afraid to mention Noah or to even be sitting in the Centra car park without Noah and people be like, she's an awful mother. I was afraid of hearing all those things. But in the back of my mind, I know I'm doing the best job as a mother. I know that I'm doing the best job as a partner, as a daughter, as a sister. I know I'm doing the best job that I can as a person. I'm just going to let people say whatever they want about me. Because to be honest, they haven't a clue what they're talking about. So it's kind of hilarious that they just make up these stories and it's all very fictional. Maybe they're really good storytellers in school. Maybe they just really liked writing fantasy. So I'm just going to let them say whatever they want. And I am just going to be myself from now on. It's been so much more of a struggle to be something I'm not, which is this prim, proper, perfect person who doesn't shop in fast fashion and doesn't hoard lipsticks and who doesn't possibly get into the car and cry or who's not crying at 2 in the morning because their teething baby can't settle and they're so upset for them because they have an earache. I'm just going to be me. Like, I'm just going to be me and be my authentic self. I'm just very fortunate with my life and I'm very happy, and I'm not going to let somebody take that away from me. And to every single follower that has said to me, you're not being yourself, you're holding back, what's going on? Like, I feel like there's something in your, like, the back of your mind. I'm sorry that I have not been myself. And do you know what? I'm sick and tired of trying to be Miss Perfect so that people won't talk about me. They're just going to talk about me anyway. You know, they just want to, and they're just going to make up stuff, and they're probably like right now going, oh my god, Ashig's having a mental breakdown, she's like having an anxiety attack, and oh my god, she looks like crap today, and you know, what was she doing all last night? She was probably up partying. Yeah, I was. Me and Noah, you know, up till whatever 7 AM we were having a great time. But that's just real life, and you know, people are going to make up stories about me. They're just going to say whatever they want. They're going to annihilate my personality and the way I look and the things I have and the life I have and the parents I have and the relationship I have with Paddy and the relationship I have with people in my life, and they're going to just say whatever they want because it's not fair to the people who watch me and enjoy my content that I'm holding back and being something that I'm not. I'm not going to talk anymore about it. I'm going to enjoy the rest of Vlogmas. Also, I won money on the scratch card that I won money on the other day. I won more money. I'm going to cash that in and I'm going to get another few scratch cards, maybe do the lotto, maybe win that as well. I'm sorry guys, I really am. I know I don't have to apologise, and I know a lot of you who watch me are going to say please don't apologise, and you've nothing to apologise for. So instead I'm going to focus on not trying to overly offend haters, and I just feel like a weight has been lifted off me, even just having this conversation with Jen. I had a much longer conversation before that where I went into a lot more detail. It just doesn't need to be said. I just feel better for it. Like, yeah, give you some Vlogmas content, stuff that you want to see. You don't want to see me holding back and moaning all the time. It's just not, it's not fun. It's not fun for me. It's actually nearly more stressful and causing me a huge amount of anxiety, and the amount of stuff that I have to edit out of my videos because I'm just being me, and then I'm like, oh, people are going to hate on that, they're going to pick that up wrong, they're going to say this about that, and you know what, like, who cares? Because I'm done caring what other people think. People that I don't even know as well. Like, it's hilarious that I'm actually giving this that much thought. Anyway, I'm going in to do my returns. I'll talk to you in a bit. I never opened this yesterday. Number 14. I'll leave the chocolate for Paddy because he hasn't had one in a while. And number 15 is here somewhere. And I'm going to open number 15 also. I'm going to eat this sweet. It's trees? I don't know what it is. Home now after all of my trips to the shop. I got, well, I'm home a while. I got everything I needed in Tesco's, and then I returned the packages, etc. So now I am going to, I think, wrap Ollie's present because she's the only one that I can kind of wrap her present because she's not obviously here. Whereas if I start wrapping Mum's present or Dad's, they're here. So I think what I'm going to do is start wrapping her present. Noah is on the move. He's lying on his belly now, rolling back and forth and back and forth. So I need to keep a close eye on him because you can't lie on the floor anymore. Under your playmat, you are rolling all around the place. He is so fast as well. You need your wits about you now. I'll show you what I'm going to put some of her presents into, because even if she watches this vlog, it's not really a big deal because I just got something to put little bits into, and then she can, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what I actually did was I picked up this small little cute makeup bag in Pennies, and I'm just going to put all her bits and pieces in here. I've already opened it and started putting presents in here. There's also these brush holders up at the top here as well if she wanted to put brushes in it, but I just thought it was really nice, and then it just has a magnetized fastener, and I'm just going to put some little Christmas presents in it as well. This is one of her other Christmas presents, and then I have another few bits and pieces for her. So that's just my idea behind that. I'm going to wrap some of her presents now. I still have a couple of things that I need to get for her, so I'm going to do that this week, but I think I'm going to wrap these up now. Also, if I didn't let you guys know that I made cookies this week. I'd taken the day off, but I just said I would vlog the cookies and put it in. So I'm going to insert me making the cookies right now. Kinder Bueno cookies. They were divine. I absolutely loved them. Like, they were so good, and they were really, really, really popular in the house. Everybody ate them. So what I'm going to do is the next time I make them is I'm going to cook them for about 2 minutes longer. I cooked them for 17 minutes and then instead of 19, and just the cookie dough was a little bit on the underdone side, so I would definitely cook them for 2 minutes longer. Like, it recommends to do them for 19 minutes, and I just thought maybe 17 minutes might give them like that kind of gooey texture, which it does, but it's just almost like a little bit raw. So I'm gonna cook them for 19 minutes the next time. Stupid battery died, so I had to run up and get another one. So I'm gonna wrap Ollie's presents right now. I'm just out of the shower, all fresh. I didn't wash my hair tonight because I'm going to do that tomorrow night to wash out the purple shampoo I'm eating my hair. I'm going to try and edit the vlog for tomorrow. I'm just taking my moisturizer. I'm going to edit that, a little bit of it tonight. No, I probably won't get it all done. That vlog was actually supposed to go up tonight, but I'm just really tired and I don't think I'm going to be able to edit everything tonight. So I'm going to try and edit the vlog that was meant for today, half of it tonight and then the other half tomorrow. And the vlog that you're watching now is going to be a day late, but sure, look, we'll get there. I'm just really tired today and it is 9:10. I reckon I'm probably going to be in bed in the next 40 minutes. I am just, like I said, really, really worn out and sleepy, and Noah is gone down. Hopefully, fingers crossed for the night. That's if his teeth don't bother him. I think we're going to try and bring Noah to see Santa this week. I don't know how that's going to go. Maybe during the day or something like that. I'm not really sure what we're going to do, but we're going to attempt it. Paddy gets his Christmas holidays on the 22nd. He's off until the 4th of January, which is great. So we have a nice little break together. So I'm going to wrap up tonight's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next vlog. Mwah! Night, guys.